Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your XVPN account, the correct credentials, and any AVPN or config file. Once you have admin rights, install the XVPN client for your operating system and accept system prompts. Make sure your local firewall or router allows outbound UDP/TCP to the VPN server. If not, open the required port. Also check DNS reachability so name resolution works once tunneled. This prevents immediate connection failures. Now configure the client, import the AVPN profile or manually enter server, port, protocol, and authentication method. Once done, enable security options like the kill switch and DNS leak protection so traffic won't leak if the tunnel drops. Select a nearby server for lower latency unless you need a specific geolocation. Hit connect, then monitor the client log for the TLS handshake, successful authentication, and the pushed routes. Those confirm your traffic is being routed through the VPN. To finish, validate the tunnel. Check your external IP and DNS to confirm traffic flows through XVPN. If you see local addresses, restart the client and reapply the profile. If connection fails, try switching ports or protocol. TCP on 443 often bypasses strict networks, or select a different server. Make sure certificates match and watch for MTU or fragmentation errors in the logs. Adjusting MTU or enabling fragmenting can resolve packet drops. If all else fails, restart the device and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.